Hey, how is it going? Welcome inside the How to Understand the Course video presentation. Now, I'm glad you have joined it, and I'm really interested to teach you how to get more affiliates, how to make your launch better, and how to make more money. Well, this lecture is about how to understand the course, and definitely this is something where you need to place a little bit of attention, because I want to make sure that you receive the exact information I want to transfer you. So I want to make sure that you have a single feature like that, you are open mind to learn. That's what you gotta do. That's what I need from you. That's what I need from my students. They need to be open mind, they need to love the content, and they need to love the information, the new information. You need to pay close attention to all the videos and not surfing online, not playing games, not doing different things and just listening to my audio. That way won't work. It's good for you to listen and watch the screen, watch the video as well. I need from you to be open minded and to allow me to transfer the right information. That's pretty all about. That's the way you understand the course. It's nothing complicated. I'm going to send you the best information, and you're going to take action, and you're going to improve your business. That's going to be all about. Now, thank you for watching, and see you over the next videos.